If you just hate the idea of shooting short form video content to market on behalf of your business, and you're just fighting the concept that content like Instagram Reels are getting to be a must in order for you to get the conversions you need for your business to succeed on Instagram and quite frankly off of that platform too, well, this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and a lot of what I've seen has led me to create this video titled Why You Can't Hate Reels Anymore. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you could do more business. Now, point blank, this is why you can't hate Reels anymore. Short form video content is where it's at right now, and Instagram CEO Adam Mosseri has said several months ago that Instagram is no longer a photo first or specifically a photo sharing platform anymore. That was then, this is now, and this, per Mr. Mosseri, is the point. Instagram is now per se a video sharing platform, and Reels will get you more discoverability, meaning as a more mature entrepreneur with a business that's got offerings to sell, Instagram Reels will get some additional algorithmic boost, will be more likely to be shared out onto the Explore page or tab, and Instagram Reels-based content will therefore gain your brand awareness like feed posts were getting you, say 5 years ago, even longer. Short form video content is crucial to getting seen on Instagram or really many other platforms. Facebook is pushing Reels and making it easier and easier for you to publish Reels. Meta owns both Facebook and Instagram, so there's no conflict of interest here. YouTube launched Shorts, which, just like Reels, are short-form video content that goes up to about a minute's time as of the recording of this video. Will they get longer? Who knows? Then again, TikTok, which is currently the world's most downloaded app, currently allows for short-form video content to be uploaded to a maximum of 3 minutes. Although, hey, as of right now, short-form videos on TikTok that are around 30 to 45 seconds still, in general, outperform longer videos, usually, typically. But since Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube are getting eaten alive by TikTok, it's forced everyone's hand, and now you have to use short-form content marketing like Instagram Reels if you want discoverability, if you want people to enter into the top of your marketing and sales funnel as a business owner with goods and or services to sell. People aren't creating super short videos because they want to. They're doing it because they know that they have to in order to be seen on platforms today. I've been saying this for the past 2 years' time now, but now content marketing guru Neil Patel has echoed what I've been saying in a recent video of his entitled Social Media Trends 2022. If you haven't seen his video, I encourage you to go check it out, and I'll put a link to his video in the show notes down below. Don't want to believe me? You can believe Neil Patel then. Look, I'm only saying this for your own good because Instagram Reels will grow your business. Now, you do have to not just create a short form video, no longer than 60 seconds, and shorter will perform better. But you also have to optimize it properly with keywords and hashtags in the caption of the reel. Just like an Instagram feed post, an Instagram Reel allows you a caption that's 2,200 characters long. And yes, per Adam Mosseri, you do need to put your hashtags in the caption of a reel for the algorithms ruling that platform to associate the hashtags with your content. But if you use keywords and hashtags that will allow your content to be pulled up and searched by the human users, you can win the day, like as though you were on Instagram as an early adopter from years ago. I'm not kidding. Use the right hashtags for your reel. Okay, so if you don't know how to use hashtags properly at all on Instagram, whether we're talking about a feed post or a reel, I did a video that people love called Blow Up Your Instagram with this hashtag strategy. And I still stand behind what I taught there. It will help you out. And yes, you can use up to 30 hashtags for every reel if you'd like. So if you need help with hashtags, go check that video out. Hashtags are data points that not only help your content get indexed for search, and on Instagram, yes, people can follow hashtags themselves too, but they are also data points that the Instagram algorithms need to make the decisions about your content and who to show it to on Explore. So please take hashtags seriously and use them. Use the right Instagram SEO for your reel. Another unfair advantage when using Reels is to put the right keywords in the caption that corresponds with your short form video. So if you are like, what the heck are keywords? And how do I use them to leverage Instagram SEO or search engine optimization, which is a thing on that platform for quite some time now? Well, lucky you. I also did a video called Instagram SEO Tips 2021, which is still good for 2022. So be sure to check that video out and the playlist that's associated with it too. It's like a 3-video mini course that will really give you a leg up in terms of getting found via search and algorithmic-based suggested activity on the platform. You know what won't help you? Hiding from doing Instagram Reels because you think your camera phone is too old. It isn't. Or that you always have to be in the video. You don't. Or that your video needs to be professionally edited. It doesn't. Fancy editing doesn't tend to perform well. So just use the editor in the Creator Studio on the Instagram app itself and call it a day. Now, that's a lot of information. So I want to hear from you. Why are you so scared to use Instagram Reels? Why do you hate that feature even though you know it's going to grow your business when you create and optimize your Reels correctly? Comment down below. I do read your comments. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my answer when it comes to the subject of why you can't hate Reels anymore. Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.